Wait, wait, wait! Don't even think about skipping this. I caught you, didn't I? You were just about to look for another video. But stay with me for a second. Welcome to episode 4. Today we are not doing a boring class. We're going to talk about the real stuff, the secrets, the drama, and those moments where you just want to say, "Oh my God." If you want to sound like a native, you need to feel the energy. Are you ready? Let's get messy. Imagine you just heard some juicy gossip. Lean in. Your voice should be quiet, but fast. Shadow this. So, I was at the cafe today, right? And I saw Mark with a girl who was definitely not his girlfriend. I mean, I didn't want to stare, but they were literally holding hands. Can you imagine the drama when this gets out? Did you feel the excitement? Good. Now, let's flip the mood. We've all had those days where everything goes wrong. You spilled your coffee. You missed the bus. Speak with that "I'm so done" energy. You know those days where you just wish you stayed in bed? I spilled my latte on my white shirt, and then the bus just drove right past me. Seriously, could this day get any worse? Let's slow it down for a second. Change your voice. Make it soft and thoughtful. Imagine it's late at night and you're thinking about life. Do you ever feel like you're meant for something bigger? Like, there's this whole world out there waiting for us to explore it. Sometimes I just stare at the ceiling and wonder where I'll be in 5 years. It's scary, but it's also kind of exciting, isn't it? Now, I want to see your confident side. You're at a nice restaurant. You're a little nervous, but you're trying to be charming. I have to say, you look absolutely stunning tonight. I have a feeling we're going to have a lot to talk about. So tell me, what's something about you that nobody else knows? Wait, did I just say that out loud? Oops. Ignore me. I think I need more sleep. Listen to me carefully. This is the most important part. Your English is not just about words. It's about your soul. I don't care how many times you fail. Get up and try again. Your past does not define your future. You are the captain of your own ship, and you are heading for greatness. Did you feel that fire? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Take a quick breath. Drink some water. We are just getting started with the real drama. Don't go anywhere, because the next part is going to be even more interesting. Are you back? Good, because things are about to get a little tense. Imagine you're having an argument with someone you really care about. Your heart is beating fast. You're upset, but you're trying to stay calm. Shadow this emotion. Look, I'm tired of having the same conversation every single week. I feel like I'm talking to a wall sometimes. Can you just, for once, listen to what I'm actually saying? I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just trying to be heard. Ouch. I could feel the tension there. But hey, life isn't always a drama. Sometimes it's just awkward. Have you ever waved at someone who wasn't waving at you? Let's practice that embarrassed voice. Oh my God, did you see that? I just waved at a total stranger. I thought it was my cousin, but it definitely wasn't. I literally want to disappear into the ground right now. Just keep walking. Don't look back. Keep walking. Now, let's switch to your professional boss voice. Someone made a big mistake at work, and you have to fix it. Be sharp. Be clear. Okay, team, listen up. We have a major issue with the latest report. This isn't what we discussed, and we need to fix it before the client sees it. I need everyone to focus. No excuses. Let's get this done by 5 p.m. Whew, you sounded like a real leader there. But let's be honest. Sometimes we just want to complain about our jobs, right? Let's use some common slang for the office. I am totally burnt out. I've been staring at this screen for 8 hours. My brain is literally fried. Is it Friday yet? Please tell me it's almost Friday. Slow down for a second. I want to tell you something important. You know, sometimes we are our own worst critics. We tell ourselves we aren't good enough, or our English isn't perfect. But look at you. You are here. You are trying. And that is more than enough. Stop being so hard on yourself. You are doing exactly what you need to do. One day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Believe in the process. Actually, I think I'm getting a bit emotional here. Let's end this part with something fun. Imagine you just won the lottery. Scream it out in your head. No way! Is this real? I actually won? Oh my God. I'm rich. I'm quitting my job. I'm buying a boat. Just kidding about the boat. Maybe. You were amazing in this part. Your voice is becoming so flexible. Take another quick break, and when you're ready, we'll finish episode 4 with the biggest challenge yet. Don't go away. Are you ready for the final challenge of today? This is the emotional roller coaster. I'm going to give you a long paragraph. We will start slow and sad, then get angry, and finally end with pure joy. Don't stop. Just follow my lead. I thought I lost everything. I felt so alone, and I didn't know which way to go. But then I realized, why am I letting this stop me? No, I am not going to sit here and cry. This is my life, and I am going to fight for it. I don't care what they say. I am stronger than this. And look at me now. I did it. I actually did it. I'm free. I'm happy. And I'm finally who I was always meant to be. Phew! Did you keep up? That was intense. Give yourself a high five. Seriously, you are doing something most people are too afraid to do. You are finding your voice. We've covered so much today. Gossip, drama, office stress, and that beautiful victory. Your English is sounding less like a robot and more like, well, you. And that is the most beautiful thing in the world. But wait, don't leave just yet. I have a tiny secret. The next episode is going to be the biggest one yet. We are going to talk about things I've never shared before. You don't want to miss it. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right now. Join our family. Let's grow together. And if you enjoyed this crazy journey today, give this video a big like. It means so much to me when I see your support. Also, tell me in the comments, how did you feel during that last challenge? Were you angry? Were you happy? I want to know. Thank you for practicing with me. You are unique. You are powerful. And you are becoming a great speaker. Until next time, keep your head high, keep your heart open, and keep shadowing. I'll see you in episode 5. Goodbye for now.